Today we'll take a look at how to manage full accounting with Magic Heidi as a Swiss freelancer.
Magic Heidi is an invoicing and accounting app that can do everything you need as a freelancer, and I will show that now. So the first thing is you can create categories, for example, expense categories and payment method categories. I will now add a category under expenses, let's say travel, hotel. There. And then for the payment method, I would also say Revolut app, because I always pay with Revolut. Can, of course, change all that. These are just examples of categories, right? And of course, I can create my invoice, that is the money that comes in. I can also write all my expenses in here. And then I can see everything in the analytics. For example, if I now think of an expense and change the payment method here to travel and hotel, and I go back now, then I suddenly see in the total expenses that travel and hotel now have an expense. Yes. No. And now the important thing for our bookstore, because actually everything is already done in the sense that the expenses are there, the invoices are there. Each expense has also its attachment. I can immediately see the document. But at some point, I have to send it to the trustee or for taxes. And it works like this. In analytics, at the top, I can say export. That already exports an Excel file with all the details. But of course, in an Excel file, you cannot have all the PDFs and all the images. That means below here, there's the option to download all the data. And there, I can simply click here, and then I will receive a zip file by email with everything in it. And you can use that for your own archives, for example. And now let's take a quick look at this Excel file, because it's really important. And suddenly I can see all the income for each category, all the expenses, and the profit. And that is important for the tax return. And here I still have the invoices and expenses, and then I see exactly everything I need again, the payment method, and so on. And what is also important for us, there is a link on the right. Here you can also see the link next to the expenses. And that is a secure link. You can simply copy it, or I wanted to open it right away, but we can also copy it. And when I go on the internet and search for this link, it will automatically decrypt this file and show it to you. So here I immediately see my invoice. This means you can easily get a link to all attachments, PDFs, and images from Excel. If an expense has multiple images, they are all included in this link. So, and now you are actually already ready for the tax declaration. It's that simple with Magic Heidi. I hope that was useful, and I wish you a very nice day.